Alright, so your attic entrance is over there. This is the front of your house. Here's the panel that we cut out to get access in here to the front. You can see this more sheathing up there. That's structural sheathing holding all these framing members in place so we can't remove it. But we need to get back in there. So we're on the inside of the hole right now, and you can see this is the front of your house. We're looking north right now. So we look over this edge. Your electrical panel is over there in the corner on that side. So all this is covered up right through here. And you can see water drips right there, right through those big nails on the roofing surface. See that water, that dark spot right there? It's coming in right through the ridge, or I mean the valley. This is the valley that's working its way down, working its way down. You can see the little tracks there. You can see the watermarks a little bit better. We're down here in the very north corner of your home right now. I pulled back some of these bats of insulation, making sure that we didn't have any water damage or mold in any areas. Check that corner too. So there's just a little bit of water staining right down there by the wall. It's not very much though. Just a little bit that I can see in that corner right now. But that's the very tip corner of your property where you're getting a lot of the damage. So we're going to try and get back in there a little bit farther. So we're back here in the very, very back corner. This is the northeast corner of your house. There's some insulation back here. Yep, that's what you're hoping you didn't have. It's back here in the corner of the of that bedroom. So you're definitely going to need that piece of sheetrock cut out anyway. What is leaking in this area? There's a hole right there on the north side of the house. What do I see on the roof surface up here? I don't want to pull all this insulation back, but you can see the insulation is sticking to the floor there. So yep, you've got some MOLD back here in the corner. So we got some leaks back there in the corner. Can't tell if it's coming in from the north wall or through the roof surface, but I think you need a roofer in this area to re-roof because it looks like you're running water down this area as well, down the valley. So we want to get those areas plugged up. But yeah, you got a little bit of that black stuff back there. I really don't see anything on the bottom side that could be leaking. This is definitely leaking. You can see the trails up there going down. So definitely get this valley looked at. See those penetrations up there in the valley? Those are likely open. One of them's leaking.